Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technology that allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It acts as the bridge between the messy, complex human tongue and the precise, logical language of computer code. Experts estimate that up to 80% of all business data exists in unstructured formats like emails, chats, and documents. NLP breaks down text into manageable tokens, identifies key entities, and even analyzes the emotional sentiment behind the words. Unlike static scripts that break when they see a typo, NLP models learn from patterns, allowing them to handle the ambiguity of human speech. You likely interact with NLP daily through automated customer service bots, language translation tools, or text summarization software. Ultimately, NLP is about transforming vast amounts of human conversation into data that businesses can actually use to make decisions. Understanding these tech basics helps you see where the future of finance and data analysis is heading. Thanks for watching.